In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create appointment schedules in Google Calendar. This powerful tool enables you to easily manage your time, ensuring you stay on top of all your important meetings and engagements. Let's get started by heading to Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google by simply typing Google Calendar into the search bar. Once you've accessed Google, click on the link to open Google Calendar. If you haven't signed in yet, make sure you log in with your Google account to access your calendar features. Once you have Google Calendar opened, take a look at the top left corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Create button. Click on it to begin setting up your appointment schedule. This option allows you to create various items in your calendar, but today we're focusing specifically on appointment schedules. After clicking Create, a menu will appear where you'll select Appointment Schedule. This feature is perfect for setting up windows of time during which others can book appointments with you. It's a great organizational tool, especially for those with busy schedules as CEOs or professionals managing client meetings. Now, you'll need to give your appointment schedule a title. Choose something descriptive and clear, such as weekly consultations or project meetings, so that recipients immediately understand the purpose of this schedule. Type your chosen title into the designated field. This step is crucial, as it not only keeps your calendar organized, but also communicates efficiently to anyone viewing your schedule. Next, you'll specify the appointment duration. Click on Appointment Duration, and consider how much time you wish to allocate for each meeting or session. You can choose from several preset options or customize the duration according to your preferences. Whether you need 15-minute quick check-ins or hour-long sessions, this flexibility ensures each appointment fits seamlessly into your day. Following this, adjust your general availability by selecting General Availability. Here, you can set the days and times when you're available to take appointments. This feature allows you to clearly define your working hours or any specific availability for appointments, which can vary from one day to another. Once you've set your availability, click Next to proceed. On this page, you can further customize options such as buffer times between appointments or maximum daily appointments. Make sure to review these options to fine-tune your schedule. That wraps up our guide on creating appointment schedules in Google Calendar. With these steps, you can effectively manage your time and make your scheduling accessible to those who need to meet with you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.